Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Power Apps and Power Automate are two distinct yet highly complementary components of the Microsoft Power Platform, each serving a different primary function in the landscape of low-code business solutions. Fundamentally, Power Apps is for building applications, which are the user-facing tools for data collection, management, and display. In contrast, Power Automate here is for automating workflows, serving as the invisible back-end engine that orchestrates tasks, data movement, and processes across various systems. Power Apps provides a visual, drag-and-drop development environment, often described as similar to designing a PowerPoint slide deck for creating custom business applications that can be used across web browsers, tablets, and mobile devices. Its strength lies in building user interfaces, forms for data entry, interactive dashboards, and entire self-service portals. While Power Apps does allow for some workflow logic using Excel-like formulas known as Power FX, its core purpose is focused on the front-end user experience and data interaction. Common use cases for Power Apps include building custom data entry forms for field workers, creating inventory management apps, or developing employee self-service tools for requesting leave. Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, specializes in automating repetitive tasks and orchestrating multi-step business processes. Its flows are triggered by specific events such as receiving an email, a file being uploaded to SharePoint, or a record being updated in a database. Using a visual designer, users connect these triggers to a sequence of actions, loops, and conditions across hundreds of pre-built connectors for Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and third-party services. Power Automate excels at background operations that don't require direct user interaction. Typical use cases include automating document approval processes, syncing data between a CRM and an ERP system, sending automated alerts and notifications, or generating scheduled reports. The most powerful business solutions often come from combining both tools. A developer might use Power Apps to build a custom expense reporting app with an intuitive front-end form where employees input their data. This app then uses a Power Automate flow as the back-end logic to automatically submit the expense report for manager approval via a notification in Teams, update the finance database, and send a final confirmation email. While Power Apps is the engine for user interaction, Power Automate is the glue that connects systems and automates the flow of business logic, making both essential for comprehensive digital transformation. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.